I want you to imagine you are standing in front of a huge mountain. You look up, it seems uncheckable. You think this is the strongest thing I can see on Earth. Most of us only see the top. We see the snow, we see the rock, we see the peak. But modern science asks a deeper question. What's underneath? In the last 2 centuries, geologists discovered a principle called isostasy. They asked, how can tall mountains exist without the crust collapsing? Scientists like George Airy proposed that mountains must have deep roots. The idea was simple. The higher the mountain, the deeper the root. Like a boat floating deeper if it's heavier. Using earthquake data, scientists send seismic waves through the earth. Those waves slow down and bend when they pass from one type of rock to another. By studying them, they have mapped the roots of mountains. In many places, the root is several times deeper than the mountain is tall. So, the real shape of many mountains is iceberg-like, a visible part above and a large part hidden below. Do you know, one standard university textbook is called Earth by Frank Press and Raymond Sever. Frank Press was a top geophysicist and president of the National Academy of Sciences. In his work, mountains are described as having deep roots and acting as stabilizing features of the crust, just like pegs anchoring a structure. Now, listen to this verse. وَالْجِبَالَ أَوْتَادًا. The mountains as stakes or pegs. The word أوتاد means stakes or pegs. Not just big rocks, not just decorations. Pegs, most of them hidden, holding something in place. Another verse adds a function. Allah said, وَأَلْقَى فِي الْأَرْضِ رَوَاسِيَ أَن تَمِيدَ بِكُمْ. And Allah, He has cast into the earth firmly set mountains lest it shift with you. So, modern plate tectonics tells us mountain pelts from where plates collide. The crust becomes thicker. Deep roots develop. The thickened crust helps stabilize large regions, reducing large-scale vertical motion and distributing stresses. So, on one side you have underground roots confirmed by seismology, stability roles described by plate tectonics. Number 3, leading geologists describing mountains as pegs or anchors. Now, on the other side you have number 1, a 7th century revelation. 2, given to an unlettered Prophet ﷺ. Number 3, using the image of mountains as pegs for an firmly set feature that prevents excessive shifting. Could someone back then have drawn a cross-section of a mountain with its root inside the crust? Could they have anticipated the basic picture of isostasy and plate boundaries? Could an unlettered man in the desert have guessed the mountains have deep roots, that they play a stabilizing role in the structure of the crust? Or it's more reasonable to say that the one who designed the earth, its crust, its plates, its mountains, is the same one who chose the word pegs and these verses. This is why these verses increase the believer's certainty, and this is why the honest scientists should at least pause and think.